We have a few showers making their way into northwestern parts of Minnesota. They just crossed the border coming out of North Dakota and Canada. These showers are only going to strengthen as we go into this afternoon, and that is why most of our area finds itself under a marginal risk for severe weather in the dark green. That's a level 1 out of 5, mainly for the afternoon and evening hours. And as we look down to our south, including the Twin Cities area, we even have a slight risk, a level 2 out of 5, so better chances for severe weather for those areas. This afternoon we just have some spotty showers for most of our area, but as we go into the early evening hours, we see a line of some stronger, possibly severe storms making their way into our western counties. It's going to spread further eastward, arriving in the Twin Ports somewhere probably between 9 and 10 o'clock. This particular model has it diving south into northwestern Wisconsin. In that case, the arrowhead would be in the clear, but this is just one model, so we'll keep a very close eye on what happens with these showers and storms as they move through the area this evening. And it should all be out of here pretty quickly. Quickly after midnight, we should be dry across most of the area. We're not expecting any tornadoes today. That is the good news, but we are expecting some large hail up to 1 inch in diameter. High winds is probably the biggest threat, up to 60 miles per hour, and even some isolated flooding is not entirely out of the question. As we start the day off tomorrow, mostly sunny across most of the area, but we will see an increase in cloud cover as we go into the afternoon again, with a few showers and storms developing, mainly in Minnesota. That will then move out again as we go into the overnight hours on Friday, with just a few spotty showers, mainly along the international border. Then also into Saturday, we just have a few more spotty showers around because we have a low pressure center way up north in Canada, but it's close enough to bring in multiple rounds of some energy. That's enough for some of those showers and storms to form during the daytime heating. And that area of low pressure is really going to get closer on Sunday. It's going to bring in a better chance for some more widespread precipitation during the day on Sunday. And we should welcome that rain with open arms, because the drought monitor was updated again today, and the drought situation has only worsened across our area, especially over parts of northwestern Wisconsin, but also in parts of east central Minnesota. That severe drought area is only making ground, so that's not very good news. We could definitely use some more rain in here. Something we haven't really talked about in quite a while is making a return as well. There's an air quality alert in effect starting tomorrow, lasting well into the day on Saturday for all of Minnesota. That's because we have some more wildfire smoke making its way into the area already on Friday morning, but especially as we go into the afternoon, we see some thicker smoke making its way into the area. As of right now, it looks like the thickest smoke will be down to our south, but also up here. A sensitive group should be aware of some poorer air quality into the day tomorrow, and also into the day on Saturday. That smoke will still be around. That is some bad news, unfortunately, for the Duluth Air Show that's taking place this weekend, especially because Saturday is looking like the better day weather-wise, with temperatures pretty comfortably in the mid to upper 70s and only a slight chance for some precipitation. Sunday, a better chance for some widespread precipitation and cooler as well, with a breezy northwest wind 10 to 15 miles per hour. Here's a look at some current conditions across Minnesota. Upper 60s to lower 70s generally, with plenty of cloud cover, but also some sunshine here and there. It's pretty much the same deal down to our south in Wisconsin and the UP, with the wind generally from the south to southwest. We keep those precipitation chances throughout the forecast, with an increasing temperature, especially tomorrow. There will be a warm day with highs in the lower 80s. Then we slowly start to drop into the 60s by Monday. The precipitation chances are very present through Monday, with the better chances on Sunday, with some widespread rain there as well. Then as we go into the middle of next week, precipitation chances go down, temperatures go back up, and especially Tuesday is looking like a sunny one.